and it's a bright orange amber light. It's like, you need gas now. Gas now. You go get gas now. I'm like, okay, Mike, I got this. Going to the gas station. Oh, come on, Monster, why are you so far over? It makes you want to go there, but it's not particular. I don't know who's going to get what. It's hard to say. It smells like pizza. Hello. Are you serious? Oh, he's making a right. I see. He's making a right turn. We're rocking the Forcite MK1 Founders Edition again today. With a secondary Sony ICD PX470 for the audio. We still got the onboard Forcite MK1 audio, but it does seem to come in a little too cold. You can bump up the sound, you can bump it up, bump it up. It's got a little bit of a hollow sound, but I'm glad they do have the sound. It's good to, have it. It's good. It's probably good for most people for the use of the Forcite helmet, not as like a primary motovlogger helmet, but as a dash cam, or just once in a while they want to capture a clip here and there. Whoa, what was that? That was weird. That's some like big reflection. My bike is so hollow right now. It's seriously like 4.8 gallon tank. What we want to guess this thing's gonna fill up to? I'm guessing like 4.5. I guess we're gonna be doing at least 4.5. Scatterbrain all over the place, right, John from Road Reality? I'll link you in the description box below. Go check out his channel. He's got great content over there. Great content. But yeah, the scatterbrains. We're just all over the place. Squirrel! Right? Something like that. Anyhow, we gotta go get some gas. Because no matter what subject... Oh, don't run over the plastic bag. Oh, it's gone. Okay. Got stuck on someone's truck. Anyhow, yeah. No matter what topic we start trying to talk about, it's just gonna get sidelined by the gas situation we have right now. Good thing the gas station's right here. Nice and close. Nice and close. Oh, $6.19. Oh boy. It's a little cheaper than the Livermore side, I think. Boom. Yeah, it feels warm. I was holding this thing. Well, it's got way over $20. That used to be the top. Wow, this is way less gas than I thought. About 4, yeah. That's about right. Could have went another 20 miles or so. $25. Whoa. Did I grab miles? I did. Still recording? Still recording. So many obstacles. So many obstacles in this parking lot. Still haven't made it through yet. Oh, that's what I want. Okay, we got the gas, $25. I think that's a new record for amounts of dollars I've spent at the gas station. Police motorcycle. Where is he going? We're on the edges of the Brentwood out here. Put the blinker on, just for measure. What happened? They got a second green light? What's that about? I'm gonna go for it here in a sec. Alright. We're almost back. Wow, this is super late. Oh, give me left green. How did it get so late? 12:40? Oh. Late on a late day. That's not good. That's it. I gotta put this back up. Oh, I caught a green. Yay. Like the wind, baby. Like the wind. Alright, we're back on track. Vasco Road, heading towards Livermore, California. Welcome back to the YB Guide Show. I'm your host, the Yellow Backpack Guy. And today we're commuting to work. That's what we do in almost every video. But hopefully we get a couple topics along the way to make it exciting, so it actually gets uploaded to the YouTube. One thing that is, kind of like triggered my video vlog motivation is experimenting with the external mics. Even though I try to go with the all-in-one, but these companies that make smart helmets, they're not super duper fast at getting stuff out. It's like, I know, pandemic makes manufacturing tough in some locations, and shipping tough, but come on now. We gotta get things, back on track, get things shaking and rolling, building. But stuff like the cross helmet, Forcite Mark 1, and Mark 1S, Jarvis, there's these helmets out there. There's a couple real in Forcite. They're leading the pack because they actually have a helmet. They have a helmet that's out, and it's pretty usable. I'm wearing it right now. The sound you're hearing probably isn't coming from it, but let me get back to the point. I'm rocking an external recorder. It's a little bit of a pain in the hiney to get set up. But I got it set up, and I'm running the Sony ICD PX470 at the moment. Connected with a Pro Sound microphone that was some kind of like premium microphone kit for some cell phone set in Europe, I think. Something like that. It's like saying like, oh, it's the upgrade for the Senna or the what do you call it? The Senna or Cardo. This is the Pro Sound. I think it's more for like an intercom for a phone system for motorcycle, like your talking phone system for the motorcycle. Yep. So that's the microphone I'm using with the Sony, and a purple Panda extension cord just for measure, because the Pro Sound cable's not very long, and I need something to plug into the Pro Sound cable, which is like 3 or 6 inches long, to the Sony recorder that's in my backpack. I've been experimenting the last few rides with it. I tried to hone down the settings down to like a very narrowed voice range. I'm not sure how it can narrow down the voice range pattern on an external microphone, but maybe I misunderstood that part. We'll try it. We also have a low filter enabled. That's supposed to help with the rumbling wind. It's supposed to cut some of that down, so we'll see. Or we'll hear, right? Yeah, we'll hear eventually. So we got that going for us. See how it sounds. Did a little audio syncing clap in the beginning. Wow, bugs, really? Aw, that bug was full of pollen. I was a bug-free early afternoon. There had to be one. There's always one. We got gas. That was important. We really needed that. Not gear acquisition disorder, by the way. We're talking about the actual gasoline for the vehicle. It always seems to be out. It always just seems to be running out. This intercom, the nice thing about the Pro Sound microphone, hopefully a little more experimenting, it'll sound really nice. I think it was a little too hot last time I tested it. A little too hot. little too much sound. But I mean, I'm like half an inch away. Like I'm on this thing. I'm almost eating the microphone. I mean, I can taste the wind muff. Nom, nom, nom. But I'm not going to cut it away because it's really, this is the helmet profile where this chin is. It's a little closer than my other helmets. It's not, the helmet fit seems fine. I mean, cheeks aren't too tight. It's not alien head style like Jarvis. So the Mark 1 fits my head nice. I'm just saying, like the chin area it's a little closer. There's not as much space inside the helmet in that chin area. There's just enough for the Pro Sound microphone, which actually is on like it's on like a little arm that can like hook, almost like it's not really hooked in, but it's kind of works with my side cheek pad on the left side. So it makes it really stable. So it's not like wiggling around in there, which is nice. But then again, I got this really long, on another note, I got this really long purple Panda cable, and that thing, I tried to manage that cable best I could. But there always seems like there's extra cable. It's great. So there's a little bit of that flapping around outside the helmet near the backpack. But not too many cables, only that cable, just that one. No auxiliary power cable or any of that going on. It's really nice today. It's pretty hot yesterday and windy. No, yesterday it was raining. I take that back. It was windy and rainy yesterday. Last week, there was a couple days it got kind of hot. It got to like 90. April. Man. We're back down to like 60 today. It's pretty nice. The hills are sort of yellow and sort of green. Hello. Adventure motorcyclist. Hopefully I got my claps on camera this time, because last time I did the audio sync without turning on the video. So much for the sync. So much for the audio, the visual syncing. The wind's coming from the north. So it's the southbound wind. It's bound for the south. This truck looks heavy. Heavy truck. Chair. Oh no. Can't be good. A chair has fallen out of a car or been left on the side of the road on purpose. One of those scenarios is probably true. Some green grass, some yellow grass, some flowers. It's wildflower season. Wildflower. It's pretty clear out. Cool. Slight breeze. Oh, it dropped down a little bit, didn't it? Helmet's dirty. Dirty helmet. Green. Right ahead. I could use red for just another 30 seconds. Make it easier to pass. Six speed going 65 plus miles an hour. I wonder if it's clipping because of the wind, or clipping because of my voice, maybe, because we have to talk at a higher level of volume on the freeway. It's hard to always get the gains right. You literally need someone to be watching the gains for you. Not that I can change the gains with a PX470, but yeah, I'm just saying. Yeah, like an H5, a Zoom H5, or a Zoom H4 Pro, or something of those along those lines. A wireless semi-pro recorder, then you can watch the gains and adjust accordingly.